Next, what is that? What happens when eigenvalues are repeated? How we find eigenvector? Correct. As usual, first step is what? Write down characteristic equation. Correct. How we write? What is characteristic equation? Lambda cube minus base of a lambda square plus minus determinant of a equal to 0. Any doubt to anyone? Any doubt? What is base of a? Base of a is what? Sum of diagonal element means what? 0. What is A11 value? Minor of first leading diagonal element. What is the value? Minor of this. How much? 0 minus 1. Minus 1 0. It is very good. What is there to do? Minor of this, huh? So 0 1. Minus 1 0. Again, what is there? 3 minor of this, na? So 0 1 1 0. What is the value? Any doubt to anyone? Any doubt? Now what is determinant of a? 0 into minus 1 minus 1 into plus 1 plus 1 into minus 1. What is the value? 0 minus 1 to minus 1. It means what is characteristic equation? Lambda cube. This means minus 3. This means 0. 0 into lambda square. Minus 3 into lambda plus 2 is equal to 0. What is final equation? Lambda cube minus 3 lambda plus 2 is equal to 0. So what is lambda value? 1 and minus. Any doubt? Any doubt to anyone? Correct. Same procedure as like previous. Now the time for to calculate eigenvector. Here two eigenvalues are same. So first step, calculate eigenvector corresponding to non-repeated eigenvalue. Understand? So first calculate eigenvector corresponding to non-repeated. Non-repeated means lambda is equal to what? Minus 2. Non-repeated, huh? Any doubt? How we find eigenvector? You know very well. Correct? Solution of a minus lambda I into x is equal to 0. What is lambda value? Minus. It means a plus 2i into x is equal to 0. What is n plus 2i? What is the value? 2, 1, 1, 1, multiplied with xy is equal to, very simple, just subtract lambda from diagonal, put the value. What equation is 2x plus y plus z is equal to 0, x plus 2y minus z is equal to 0, x minus y. Solve these two. By which method? Cross multiplication method. X, then minus y, then z, x. What is x value? Close this one. What is cofactor? 1, 2. 1 minus 1. What is y? 2, 1. 1 minus 1. What is z value? 2, 1. Minus 1 minus 2 means minus 3. Minus 2 minus 1 means minus 3. So minus cancelled out with minus. 3 1 is 3. What is the eigenvector? Minus 1. 1. Any doubt? So eigenvector corresponding to non-repeated eigenvalue over. Now the time for eigenvector corresponding to repeated eigenvalue. Correct? Busy, huh? Wait. Whole class is here. Already I told. Be present physically as well as mentally. And you are not present mentally. No matter, we will take care. Next question you only solve, dear. Not I am. And if not, na. So eigenvector over. Any doubt? Corresponding to non-repeated. Same like previous one. Now the question is how we find eigenvector corresponding to repeated eigenvalue. Which one is repeated? One. And very important. Once you know this one, then so many parts already over. So very important. Can I guess? Any doubt? Eigenvector for lambda is equal to what? 1. So it means this part is very important. What is lambda value? 1. A minus I. X is equal to 0. It means subtract 1 from diagonal. What is the value? Minus 1, 1, 1. 1 minus 1, minus 1. 1 minus 1. Multiply with x, y, z is equal to 0, 0, 0. What is the equation? Minus x plus y, then z is 0. X minus y minus z 0. X minus y minus z 0. It means all are equivalent to x minus y minus z is equal to 0. Same equation, huh? All are same. So when eigenvalues are repeated, you see all equations are same only. So now how we find eigenvectors? Two methods are there. One, as usual, what is the equation? X minus y minus z is equal to 0, correct? Two variables are free. Take anything, whatever you want. Two values of your choice, whatever you want. Just ignore 0. Both. Suppose we can take y, let y is equal to 1, z is equal to 0. So what is x value? 1. This implies eigenvector is 1, 1. Don't take both 0, because both 0 means x 0 and x, y, z all 0 means 0 vector, which is not possible because eigenvectors are non-zero. Understand? Second, what we can take? Again, let this is also possible. Let y 0, z 1. This time, what is x value? Again 1. This is right. Eigenvector is 1, 0, 1. Correct. Correct, huh? Any doubt? This is one method. Here you see we calculated eigenvector corresponding to each eigenvalue, because one came how many times? 2 times. So both eigenvector we calculated. Both we calculated by same way, similar way. That's why most of times, not most of times, it is called similarity method. Correct? Actual meaning is different. Similar matrix are definition is there. What is my way and easiest way is to tell, because both time we calculated by same method, na? One time we have taken y0 z1, second time we have taken y1 z0. That's why later we say this is similarity method, similarity transformation. Correct? But this is the one way. One more way is there, that is most better way, and that is called orthogonal way. It means orthogonal transformation way. That is best way to calculate. Because eigenvectors are always orthogonal, corresponding to distinct eigenvalues. So how we calculate the orthogonal way? So first of all, what is orthogonal? Two vectors are said to be orthogonal when their dot product is 0. Here eigenvector means vector only, na? So two vector means, suppose one vector is x1, y1, z1, and second vector is x2, y2. Their orthogonal product is mean dot product is what? 0. What is dot product? x1, x2, y1, y2 plus z1 is equal to what? Correct, na? because how we find dot product? I with I, J with J, K with K. Correct na? So first, second with second, third with third. Understand? So one eigenvector we calculate by the same way, but third one we calculate by orthogonal. How? That is important part. How we calculate third one? Understand? So one way you understand, na? Next part is most important one. How we calculate a vector which is orthogonal to what? This vector as well as this vector. See, these two vectors are orthogonal or not? No. First vector. What is first eigenvector?
1, 1, 2.
That is x1. What is x1?
1, 1, 0.
First one. Minus 1?
1, 1.
Right? What is your x2? Second eigenvector?
1, 1, 0.
See, both are orthogonal? Yes. Both are orthogonal, na? See, minus 1 into 1, minus 1. 1 into 1, 1. 1 into 0, 0. So 1 minus 1, final value is what? 0 only. So both vectors are orthogonal. So already I told her, eigenvector corresponding to distinct eigenvalue, always orthogonal. Now our aim is to calculate third one, which is orthogonal to these two. If you see last one is what? These two are orthogonal? No. These two are not orthogonal. See, 1 into 1, 1. 1 into 0, 0. 0 into 1, 0. What is the final value? 1. It's not orthogonal. So how we calculate orthogonal vector, which is orthogonal to x1 as well as x2. That is the main part. Too much easy. So suppose let x3 eigenvector na x y z is orthogonal to x1 as well as correct. So what happened? It is orthogonal, na? This x3 is orthogonal to x1. It means x3 dot x1 is what? 0 and x3 dot x2 what? 0. x3 dot x1 0 means minus x plus y plus z 0. x3 dot x2 0 means x plus y plus 0 z. 0. Correct? Correct, na? Now solve by cross multiplication. What is the value? 1, 1, 1, 0. Minus cancel. So what is the eigenvector?
Minus 1.
1 minus 1. Correct? Same. Multiply minus. Because ratio na. Ratio means you can divide by any number. Ratio not will change. You can multiply any number. Ratio not will be going to change. Same like you divide by minus. Now see, this eigenvector is orthogonal to this. Correct, na? See, minus 1 into 1. 1 into minus 1. Minus 2. 1 into 2 plus 0. This is orthogonal. 1 into 1, 1. Minus 1, 0. Yes, correct. Orthogonal. So all three vectors we calculated and all are orthogonal to each other. Correct, na? See, already these two are orthogonal. How we calculated eigenvector which is orthogonal to x1 as well as x2. All over? Any doubt? Any doubt to anyone?